Hi, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I want to show you how to work a double crochet into the third loop of the previous row of half double crochets. The reason I'm being so specific is that the third loop looks a little different depending on what stitch you are working into. So my previous row that I crocheted here is a row of half double crochets. This also looks a little different, though it's in the same space, whether you're going working flat or working in the round. So today I am working flat. You can see if you turn your work to the top, I've got my V's across the top here. These are your front and your back loops. And this loop, when you're working flat, on the work facing you, so the back side of your half double crochets, this is the third loop here. And I'm going to create a double crochet into that third loop instead of the top of my stitch. It works just like a regular old double crochet. The only difference is where you are placing your hook at the very beginning. So just like any old double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, and then instead of working through the top, not going to do that, I'm going to work through the third loop, which is right there by my thumb. Third loop. So I'm going to go through that third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then I have 3 loops on my hook, and I complete it just like a regular old double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that again. So I find my third loop right here. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to go through the third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have my 3 loops here on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now you can double check to make sure you're doing this correctly just by flipping your work over, and you'll see that your front and your back loops lean forward then to the other side of your work, giving you this detail here. And so if you see that on the opposite side of your work, you know you're doing it correctly. Let me show you just one more time how to do that. We're going to find our third loop, which is right here, just above my thumb. You're going to yarn over, place your hook through the third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, and complete like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you complete a double crochet into the third loop of a row of half double crochet. Instructions are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.